Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to leave a workspace in ClickUp. This one is pretty simple and straightforward, so let's jump right into it. In order to leave a workspace in ClickUp, first you will have to go right here to your profile picture, click on it, and then go down until you see settings and click on it as well. Now this will show you my settings. But in this left corner, you will want to go right here into Workspaces and then choose a workspace that you want to leave. As you can see, this is my workspace, so I have the settings option here, but this is the workspace that I am not an admin of. So I have option to leave workspace right here. So click on leave and then leave workspace. As you can see, this workspace is no longer showing here, and it says you don't have access to this workspace. So it is really simple to leave this workspace in ClickUp. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.